The Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal has filed his nomination from Banaras earlier today. Kejriwal held a massive roadshow ahead of the nomination, accompanied by his parents and other senior leaders from his party. Kejriwal will take on the BJP's prime ministerial nominee Narendra Modi in Banaras and the Congress's Ajay Rai. Mr. Modi is filing his nomination in the morning.
Arvind Kejriwal during his Varanasi roadshow creating a perfect Kodak moment. A wave towards slogan shouting Modi supporters. He had done it in Delhi, now he is positioning himself as a key challenger to his high-profile rival Narendra Modi in Varanasi.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी फिर से हेलीकॉप्टर में बैठेंगे और BHU से काशी विद्यापीठ हेलीकॉप्टर में जाएंगे। मैंने सोचा जी इतनी दूर तो सड़क पे चल लेते कम से कम। दोस्तों, कहीं ऐसा ना हो जैसे अमेठी के लोगों के साथ धोखा हुआ था, कहीं वही धोखा काशी के लोगों के साथ ना हो जाए।
Kejriwal today filed his nomination amidst a campaign that is an eclectic mix of conventional and new. He has met clerics and priests hinting that old tricks still work. Before his nomination, he garlanded Sardar Patel's statue. Modi will do the same. The crowds that joined his roadshow today were much larger than his earlier outings in the town. He is trying to tap those who won't vote for Narendra Modi, especially the minority voters. By crafting a campaign which showcases him as a key challenger, he hopes that the 3.5 lakh minority voters may boost his chances. The Congress, which has fielded ex-Samajwadi Party MLA Ajay Rai, is definitely worried.
वो सिर्फ माइनॉरिटी का आउट लेके चुनाव नहीं लड़ पाएंगे, चुनाव खड़ा भी नहीं कर पाएंगे और माइनॉरिटी उनको पसंद नहीं कर रही है।
The exit of strongman Mukhtar Ansari opened doors for a possibility of a joint front by rivals against Modi. The failure of the big three to agree on a joint strategy against Modi is now helping Kejriwal. That's why the Congress is branding him an outsider like Narendra Modi.
बनारस में ये चल नहीं पाएंगे क्योंकि बनारस की जनता इस बार सबसे बड़ी बात है कि बाहर के किसी भी व्यक्ति को पसंद नहीं कर रही है।
Very soon we may have elections in Delhi. It can't be kept in suspended animation for eternity. Is Arvind Kejriwal still your chief minister?
Of course, yes. Where's the doubt?
So if Arvind Kejriwal is the chief minister contesting here, in case he wins Varanasi, he will have to vacate the seat.
Let's see what happens later. We'll see.
His high decibel campaign lacks backing of deep party infrastructure. But Kejriwal has tried to start new party branches, brought 10,000 odd volunteers, and his cap is becoming a buzzword. In Varanasi, Modi is a strong favourite. His party has thrown its might in the poll. What's in it for Kejriwal? Some Aam Aadmi Party insiders say that the contest against Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi are a route to create new cadres across the country. In Varanasi with Rajesh Gupta, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.